A gym runs two fitness classes, spinning and circuits. And what we're wanting to do is put this information into a Venn diagram. So if I first of all pop my circles in the picture, not particularly good circles, and don't forget to label which one is which. So if I have spinning and circuits, okay, so we can start to fill our Venn diagram in. So we know that there are 100 people who visit the gym and 18 of those people attend the spinning classes. 10 people attend both the spinning and the circuits, and 56 people don't attend either class. So the intersection part are the people who attend the spinning classes and attend the circuits, and we know that that is 10 people. 10 people go to both classes. And we know that 18 people attend the spinning classes. Now this is where you need to be a little bit careful when you're doing Venn diagrams, because we don't just put 18 people in here. So it says 18 people attend the spinning classes. Now it doesn't say 18 people attend the spinning classes only. So out of those 18 people, we already have 10 of them, because 10 people already attend the spinning classes and they attend the circuits. Now if it said 18 people attend the spinning classes only, so therefore they didn't do the circuits as well, then we would put the 18 in here. But because it's just that they do the spinning classes, this would be 8. So if you imagine it, if we closed off this circle, so we were only left with our spinning class set, that is the 18 people that are in there. The 8 and the 10 add up to 18. And this is the 18 people that go to the spinning classes. If you wanted to, you could draw little people icons, and then you can definitely see that even though 10 of them also go to the circuit classes, they also go to the spin classes as well. So you've got to be really careful about how these things are worded and that you understand what the question is actually asking you. Then the final part of it says that 56 people didn't go to either class. So we know that there are 56 people down here at the bottom that didn't attend either class. So how many people went to the circuits only? So we know that there are 56 and there are 18 here. So if we added both of them together, that would give us 74. And we know 100 people went to the gym. And we already know what 74 of them did. So if we take that away from 100, that would give us 26. So we're left with 26 people. So therefore, 26 people must have done the circuits only. Now if we close off the spinning class section again, you can now see that there was 10 people here and 26 people here. So altogether in the circuits set are 36 people. It's just that 10 of them also went to the spinning class as well. But altogether in this set are 36 people. And that is our answer.